Hi, and welcome to the amazing channel. In this new video, we're excited to discuss Tesla Motors. With roughly $5 billion in equity, $23 billion in assets, and $7 billion in revenue in 2017, Tesla is a multi-billion-dollar company renowned for its groundbreaking vision of transforming the automotive industry toward environmental friendliness. And today, we will get to know them more as we will discuss 10 exciting facts about Tesla you might have never known. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. Tesla was the first automotive company to be established in Silicon Valley. When it comes to being an automaker, Silicon Valley has never exactly been the place to be. Tesla stands out among other tech businesses because it is their place. Tesla isn't your typical automaker. And in some ways, you might argue that what it's doing in Silicon Valley is more suited than it would have been in Detroit or Michigan, where the so-called big guys are situated. Despite having access to human resource technologies, the corporation needed several crucial resources unavailable there compared to North America, which is still considered the region where vehicles are built. Number 2. Elon Musk came close to selling Tesla to Google at one time. Tesla came very close to filing for bankruptcy in early 2013. Not enough of the models were sold. Numerous customers expressed dissatisfaction with the autos, and the business lacked access to funding and resources. Elon Musk was pursuing a plan to sell Tesla with his friend, Google CEO at the time, Larry Page, as he put his workforce in crisis mode. Musk decided to give it one last push before giving up. The business operated at total capacity to address its shortcomings. Senior managers were let go, younger workers were given promotions, and Musk collected people from every division, intending to create a dedicated sales team. Later, Tesla astonished everyone by reporting its first ever quarterly profit. Honestly, this is the kind of event that will inspire a documentary and will go on to win awards in the future. Just saying. Number 3. Elon Musk is not the founder of Tesla, but wants to be a part of it. Elon Musk is credited with being the driving force behind the idea that made Tesla into the multi-billion-dollar monster it is today. But he wasn't the only one. Elon Musk and Martin Eberhard, along with Mark Tarpenning, are the individuals that founded Tesla. J.B. Straubel and Ian Wright also joined in. Elon joined the company in its early stages since Martin Eberhard was working on an issue that piqued Elon's interest. Elon assumed the role of CEO in 2008 after the company's executives had been reorganized for a few years. He turned what started as a little initiative into what is now regarded as the most successful automotive company in the world, thanks to his never-ending innovation, business knowledge, and charisma. Only J.B. Straubel, who acts as the Chief Technology Officer, and Musk himself are still active members of the original team today. Number 4. All of Tesla's inventions are open source. Tesla took a risk in June of 2014 and dismantled the patent wall that was once in the lobby of its corporate offices. After that, every Tesla invention would be available by any inventor worldwide, with the assurance that the business wouldn't file legal action against anyone who used it for a useful purpose. Elon Musk stated on the company's blog that Tesla's main competitor wasn't the relatively modest number of other manufacturers building electric vehicles, but rather the 100 million conventional cars produced annually, causing the environment to degrade. As a result, anyone can use the company's technologies to advance the green cause. It was a brilliant strategic move that also put Tesla in a solid position to compete with large corporations that would have tried to bury their patents in a stretched, expensive legal battle. Number 5. The first luxury electric automobile in the world was the Tesla Model S. The Model S is a large, full-utility family sedan that can seat 7 people and accelerates like a sports vehicle, reaching 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. Here is where the technological component is used. A limited kind of artificial intelligence has been included in the car. This implies that it can pick up new information as it's used. It gains knowledge about the driver, the roads, and its surroundings. Any helpful information one Tesla discovers is shared with all other Teslas on the route. The term for this is swarm intelligence. The Model S was the first electric car to receive the prestigious Motor Trend Car of the Year award in 2013 due to its technological innovation, luxury status, and technical refinement. It is also the car that Consumer Reports values the most and is rated as having the highest level of customer satisfaction. Number 6. The most rapidly accelerating production automobile in the world is the most recent Tesla Model SP100D with the ludicrous upgrade. A record-breaking 2.28 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour have been set by the Model SP100D, fastest for a vehicle in production. Yes, Tesla vehicle systems can be updated wirelessly. Suppose you're the proud owner of a Tesla vehicle. In that case, your car will automatically receive whatever new software the business releases, much like a smartphone, whether in your garage or on the road. This is undoubtedly one of the many groundbreaking innovations Tesla has delivered to the globe, as having an outdated car is no longer a choice unless it comes to hardware. But make sure that, without your help, your Tesla's electronic system will be as modern as it can be. No other automaker has yet offered that luxury. For instance, a Tesla owner expressed concern about a minor issue with the steering last year. He contacted the company and was instructed to bring the automobile over the next day. That evening, the Tesla experts wirelessly looked over all the data from his car's computer and made remote adjustments. The car had already been fixed the following morning and was operating like new when the owner tried to drive it to the manufacturer. Number 8. The most expensive standard Tesla model is the Model X. With a price tag of $140,000, the Model X is the supercar currently offered by Tesla. The Model X isn't quite an ordinary SUV. In essence, it's a sports car with an SUV body and a space rocket interior. Model X has a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 3.2 seconds and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Number 9. The Tesla Gigafactory will have the second largest footprint of any building in the entire globe. That's right, the Giga plant, which is being constructed in the middle of the Nevada desert, is not just the giant power factory ever built, but is also the second largest in terms of footprint, only being surpassed by the Boeing factory. The $5 billion factory, which will span 929 kilometers squared, will be the largest in the world, and above that, the second largest structure. Even more intriguing than that is what comes next. The Gigafactory will generate all the energy it requires utilizing geothermal, wind, and solar energy, in addition to the solar panels on its roof. The factory is so unique that it is thought that the energy it produces could power 100 smaller structures. It means that switching the entire world to renewable energy would only require 100 gigafactories. Number 10. The world's safest vehicle at the moment is the Tesla Model X. When the Tesla Model X received a record score of 5 out of 5 2 years ago, there was a lot of discussion and controversy. Compared to all other tested cars, unlike fossil fuel vehicles, an electric vehicle cannot explode in the event of an impact when the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration evaluates a vehicle's safety standards. Additionally, the battery was engineered to have a considerably lower center of gravity than the other cars, making it far less prone to flip over. Tesla pushed it even further with the release of the SUV model, introducing a myriad of previously unheard of or unseen features, improving passenger safety. There we have it. Thank you for spending some time with us. If you want to know more facts about Tesla, please let us know in the comments below. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. With that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye!